Hey, yes, clouds out here. Clouds.
Like stroke after stroke, stroke on the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't listen what I'm told. They help me forget that this world is so cold. I don't even know what I'm chasing no more.
Hey guys, welcome to my Turbo LSV build. Today I'm going to show you guys the part 1 of it. We're breaking down the engine to yank out the stock GSR motor. Gonna be putting a SPA turbo on here with the Lightning flywheel, pressure plate, and stage 4 6-putt clutch. Got the blocks, intake manifold with 70mm throttle body, and this is the ignition. Fuel regulator, need to pick up a turbo manifold and a fuel pump. So with your intake manifold, it's a little tricky. After you unplug all the cords, you're gonna have to loosen the fuel rail, all the vacuum lines and coolant hoses. And what's different about the GSR stock intake manifold is it's held on by this black bracket on the bottom. So unfortunately, instead of lifting the intake manifold off of the bracket itself, this bolt here is stripped and we weren't able to do that. So instead we just unbolted these 4 bracket mount bolts and put it all out from the back of it up. We have to cut a line that was difficult to reach, a coolant line that connected the intake manifold to the block. But after that, you have the space open. Make sure to label all your hoses and lines so that you know where to go when it goes back on. Unbolt the flange from the head, and you kind of want to wiggle it out of there, making sure to get the bracket out as well. And it comes right out. Heavy piece of junk. Next up, we're gonna jack the car up. We're gonna drain the radiator, take out the radiator, take out the AC. Then we're gonna possibly take out the alternator just to free up some space. After the AC, radiator, and alternator is out, take out the axles, and we're gonna yank the whole engine and tranny right out. Power steering is just held on this bracket with those 2 bolts and one on the tensioner. So unbolt this, unbolt this. You got your belt that needs to come off and the reservoir connected to that. So release the hose. This comes right out, and this one comes off the hose on there, and you're good to go. Take manifold out. It's sitting right there. The power steering pump came off, and that's where we're at so far. 4-door DV8. We'll see how it can go from there. You just can't stress it enough to make sure to label all your hoses and wires, because once you take them off, you need to know where they go. Especially if you're inexperienced with Hondas and swapping engines. Stay tuned. We'll get this puppy going soon.